Getting access to the age-restricted Discord is a pretty simple thing, and in this video I will show you exactly how you can get it. So if you're new to the channel, make sure that you hit the like button, share this video, comment under the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future updates. I will be providing the Discord link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So let's dive right into the video. So what you have to do is to simply open up Discord application and go to the user setting. In the user setting, you have to locate the privacy and safety option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you are in the privacy and safety option, what you have to do is to go to the user setting and simply scroll down. Here you will see server privacy default settings. So here you guys can see that it says allow access to the age restricted servers on iOS. So simply what you have to do is to toggle it on. And there will be another option which says allow access to the age restricted commands from the apps in direct messages. So what you have to do is to simply click it and toggle it on. So that way you will be able to access the age restricted Discord. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.